हाँ जी, good afternoon everyone. Today 24th of August 2021, Tuesday, last period, going to start further explanation for the chapter People as a Resource. So yesterday we had done people are considered to be as a resource because no other anything which is available as a natural resource can do by themselves. अगर हमारे पास लैंड है, ट्रैक्टर है, can they produce themselves wheat and rice? Only the human efforts are required to turn that land and use that machinery in so effectively which can produce a high yield, isn't it? So here if the chapter continue with the further explanation, that is like we know that every person is considered or some qualities are there in their hands that can be enhanced. उसके लिए मैं सबसे पहले आप लोगों को एक एग्जांपल दूंगी. What I have in my hand, pencil. If it will be blurred, will it be usable with us? Usable for us? No. But if we will be going to sharpen it, it will be working till end. If we are sometimes students are working with a small piece of a pencil because they had been made it sharpened in a proper. It means this pencil is also showing a life practical skill. एक life practical skill देती है हमें ये pencil भी. कैसे? Every person is having creativity like every pencil is having lead in it. If it will be blurred, then no one will be going to use it. They will be going to throw it. And if it will be sharpened, हम लोग अपनी pencils में से देखें. Like I have 2 or 3 pencils right now. जो मेरी sharpen है मैं सबसे पहले उसको use करती हूँ, blur वाली को side पे रखती हूँ. Same the way human are also having creativity and skill, and that creativity and skill can be enhanced in 2 ways. One is we know that is education, and second is health. So if we will be going to give education to all the children, definitely they will be going to become something good in their life. इसके लिए एग्जाम्पल एक और मेरे माइंड में अभी आया है. Suppose there are 2 girls, twin girls, born in by the same parent. One was remained in the rural area, another was remained in the urban area, and in the rural area she completed only 10th, and in the urban area a girl has completed her higher degree qualification and she became the doctor. So the girl who remained in the rural area was after age of 25 was doing all the domestic work like cleaning, washing, preparing food. And a girl who become the doctor is becoming more creative, enhance her own personality, driving a car, having her own hospital, having status, wealth, and good, you can say surrounding, social surrounding also. This is another example how education play an important role to turn the same potential. फादर मदर सेम थे बट उनकी ग्रूमिंग में डिफरेंस आया. उनको एक को एजुकेशन दी गई, दूसरी को एजुकेशन नहीं मिली. वन remain under the higher level of the life experiences and another remain in the lower life experiences. Fine. Her work is recognized in the national income, and the girl who is performing all the tasks at home like preparing the food, cleaning the house, and managing all the kids in the future life, all that is not being considered as a recognized work. आपकी मम्मियां घर पे काम करती हैं, क्या आपके पापा उनको पेमेंट देते हैं? नहीं देते हैं. That work is not a recognized work, that is not as a economic activity. So here I just want to explain the economic and non-economic activity. First of all, the people can be turned into the resource as a resource if they will be educated and if they will be having good health. Second point हमारे concept में आता है. We had studied two example case studies, Sakal and Vilas. हमने वो की हैं case studies. Sakal and Vilas की case studies की थी हम लोगों ने. Sakal was supposed to, he was interesting in getting the education and उसके पापा मम्मा ने loan लेकर उसको further education provide किया and he become the computer operator and become the manager by getting the promotion because of his skilled work. On other side, Vilas, he was from the poor family. His father was a fisherman, but at the age of 4, his father also gone, pass away. His mother was carry forward that same task, catching the fish and selling it in the market. Catching the fish and selling it in the fish market was the economic activity performed by that woman. Means Vilas की mother के द्वारा जो काम किया जाता. When Vilas' mother was also not well, healthy nahi thi, she was not well. Vilas was supposed to continue that same task and he was only earning rupees 20 to 30. It means he remained under the clutches of the poverty. He was not able. This is the example or the case study, as I had also given another example. How education play an important role in the formation of people as a resource. India is having a large size of population. So, government of India tried to assure by providing basic education, higher education, and vocational education. Vocational education means after 10th or 12th trainings are being given. Skilled computer operator, टीवी ठीक करना, कंप्यूटर ठीक करना, मोबाइल ठीक करना, फैन ऑपरेट करना, बाइक, स्कूटर्स, कार ठीक करना, इस तरह की स्किल्स, कारपेंट्री, प्रिंटिंग प्रेस, these types of tasks are being given in the vocational training, skill education, which groom the technicality among the young population, we can say, which can turn the liability into the asset. Is it okay? Now, economic activities. हमारा next concept आता है economic activities. अब देखिए, पहली चीज, इस चीज को करने के लिए हमारा इकोनॉमिक कैटेगरीज कितनी है, हमारी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज कितनी है इन द इकोनॉमी. इकोनॉमी में हमारी कितनी एक्टिविटीज हैं? We perform 3 economic activities. We perform in India. One is primary sector, secondary and tertiary. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज और सेक्टर साइड पे लिख लीजिए, क्योंकि एक्टिविटीज आगे भी मैंने और करवानी है, तो इसमें आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर्स ऑफ द इकोनॉमी, इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर्स ऑफ द कंट्री. हमारी पॉपुलेशन, क्योंकि हम लोग कह रहे हैं कि हमारी पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, हमारे इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, बट कहीं ना कहीं तो वो काम कर रही है. लाइक आई एम हियर डिलीवरिंग अ लेक्चर. Your parent might be working as a doctor, as an engineer, as a professionals, as we can say business persons, as a bank manager, as an insurance company owner. So different profiles are there. As a transporter, ठीक है? Different business profiles are there. In the same way, that is divided into 3 sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Is it okay? Primary sector is also known as agriculture sector. Another name, 1 mark question आता होता है. Another name of primary sector, that is agriculture. Another name of secondary sector, that is manufacturing and industrial sector. And third is tertiary sector. It is known as you can say service sector. ठीक है? So another name is here. सबके हो गए. Agriculture sector, manufacturing and industrial sector. and tertiary sector is also called as a service sector. Is it okay? Now, primary sector, all the tasks which are being done by exhausting the natural resources. वो काम, वो पैदावार जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को एग्जॉस्ट करके किया जाता है, लाइक एग्रीकल्चर में एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन, फिशिंग, फॉरेस्ट्री, डेयरी फार्मिंग, क्योंकि वहां पर भी जो डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स जो है दे आर बीइंग ऑब्टेन्ड थ्रू द नेचुरल कैटल, ठीक है ना, गाय भैंस जो है वो नेचुरल है. So the production process of you can say dairy farming is also as a fall under the primary sector. ठीक है, हनी कीपिंग, फिशिंग, ये हमने क्लास 8 में पढ़ा था चैप्टर 1 में, अगर याद हो तो, नहीं याद होगा. So they fall under the primary sector. So primary sector is a sector which obtains the product by exploiting the natural resources like crop production, dairy farming, fishing, timber from the forest. जितना भी हम लोग डेस्क पे बैठे हैं, जो डेस्क पे बैठे हैं हम लोग, उस डेस्क को भी बनाने के लिए टिम्बर का यूज हुआ है ना. सो वुड जो है वो कौन सी है, दैट इज प्राइमरी सेक्टर. वुड जो है दैट कम फ्रॉम द प्राइमरी सेक्टर. लेकिन प्राइमरी सेक्टर से आकर सीधा ही आपके लिए डेस्क नहीं बन के आया. It is come under the secondary sector. वो वहां से प्राइमरी सेक्टर से सेकेंडरी सेक्टर में आया, फिर वुड को लोहे के साथ अटैचमेंट करके डाइस की शेप देकर उसको बनाया. कारपेंट्री, जो अभी मैंने एग्जांपल दी थी, स्किल, ठीक है. सो कारपेंट्री, you can say another is industry, like cotton is being grown in the agriculture sector, लेकिन cotton cloth we wear, हम लोग cotton cloth पढ़ते हैं, but they are manufactured in the industries like JCT mill. Another, sugar cane is being produced in the agriculture sector, primary sector, but sugar we added in our milk and tea is being manufactured in the Wahid industry. So industries, here you are lucky to have example of a secondary sector itself. But product from the primary sector transferred to the secondary sector with one agent. What is that? Transportation, isn't it? Transportation is the sector which do not produce anything its own, but helping in making the accessibility of primary sector to the secondary sector and secondary sector to the market sector. ठीक है. So this is all about your primary, secondary, and population is also there, bifurcated there, as all human population is working in the agriculture, is working in the, you can say, industrial sector or in the service sector. Like here I am delivering a lecture. This is my services or anything I am producing. This is my services. Or the doctor treating a patient in the hospital, that is service sector. A lawyer is managing the case of his own clients, that is a service sector. Hotels and restaurants are providing food services to you people, that is called a service sector. Service sector, because they are not giving their own equipments जो रूम में पड़े होते, वो सिर्फ तुम्हें सर्विसेज देते हैं उस रूम के यूज करने के लिए. After that, when you check out from the room, they just check everything is there or not. उन्होंने जो equipments अंदर रखे हुए हैं, like electric kettles, towels, whatever the things are there, phone, सब check करते हैं whether the things are available in that side or not. So that is service sector. ठीक है. होटल मैनेजमेंट, स्विगी और तुम लोग ये जो जोमेटो से मंगाते हो, ये सारे सर्विस सेक्टर के अंदर फॉल करते हैं. नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट आता है इकोनॉमिक एंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. अब हमारी पॉपुलेशन जो है दैट इज बाइफरकेटेड इनटू 3 सेक्टर्स, प्राइमरी सेक्टर, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर एंड टर्शियरी सेक्टर. नाउ एक्टिविटीज, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. Activities are of 2 types. One, if the task is being done by the person for the sake of earning money, that task is considered to be as a economic activity. Like Bilal's mother was selling the fish in the market. It was economic activity. But if Bilal's mother take 2 fish for the family use, that will be non-economic activity. Another example, I am teaching here. I am delivering my lecture over here. This is my economic or non-economic activity? Economic activity, because for this I am getting the salary. And if the same lecture I will deliver to my daughter at home, that will be non-economic activity. Same the case, your mother prepare the food in the kitchen for you people is considered to be as a non-economic. And the same chapatis are prepared by the maid servant at home. That is her economic activity. Prakul Chavla, please stand up. Hanji. So there is a difference. Same task, but one activity is considered as an economic, and that same task performed by the maid servant is considered as economic. And if mother cooks the food, that is called non-economic. Means when the task is being done for the sake of love, care, dedication, and devotion, that is called as a non-economic activity. And the task which is done for the sake of earning money is considered to be as a economic activity. नेशनल इनकम में इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज को ऐड किया जाता है. लाइक आवर सैलरी इज बीइंग कैलकुलेटेड इन द नेशनल इनकम, टैक्स पेबल होती है. बट इन नॉन इकोनॉमिक आपको मम्मा जो है गरम गरम परांठी या फुल्का बना के देते हैं, क्या उसको हम लोग नेशनल इनकम में ऐड करते हैं? नहीं. सो दैट एक्टिविटीज आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर. प्लीज लुक एट दैट. अगर यहाँ तक क्लियर है प्लीज बेटा गिव थम्स अप. नयन, निश्चल, यहाँ तक क्लियर है बेटा? चलो पुत्र, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? चलिए. नो इश्यूज बेटा, आगे हम लोग करने लगे हैं. अभी मैंने एजुकेशन के सारे पॉइंट्स बताने हैं, मैंने बताए नहीं है अभी. अभी तो सिर्फ मैं चैप्टर को एक सीक्वल में लेके चल रही हूँ आगे आगे. अब देखिए, वर्किंग जो है पॉपुलेशन हमारी जो है वो काम भी करती है, सारी काम करती है. देयर आर डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स इन विच डिफरेंट पॉपुलेशंस आर वर्किंग. दैट सेक्टर्स आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड and unorganized. अब देखिए, the task which is done by the population, different people, under the control of the government, that is organized. And the task or the employment which is being done under the private entrepreneur, that is unorganized. ठीक है? Main और job securities are there in the organized. अब people as a resource तो सारे काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन they perform different tasks in the different organizations. Some are working in the organized sector, some are working in the unorganized sector. ठीक है? Like a person working in the government sector is organized sector. A person as a mason working for the construction work is unorganized sector. और मेसन वर्क जो काम कर रहा है, सपोज बारिश आ जाए तो जो मेसन वर्क काम कर रहा है उसका जो ठेकेदार होता है, व्हाट ही सेड, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर होता है, व्हाट ही सेड, आज बारिश आ रही है, नो नीड टू पुट दिहाड़ी, पंजाबी में बोलूंगी मैं, नो नीड टू पुट योर डेली वर्क, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड योर डेली वेजेस फॉर द डे. आज बारिश आ गया, काम निकलना नहीं है, आज रेस्ट करो, जाओ घर बैठो. ऐसा होता है या नहीं होता? होता है. So that type of work where job securities are not there, where leave encashments are not there, where whenever medical facilities are not provided, pension facilities are not provided, that type of work is done as unorganized sector. So when people are not working in organized and in the organized sector, job security, full payment, working hours are fixed, medical facilities, all the pension facilities are being ensured. It means population are feeling secured and try to get the job under the organized sector. But some people, those according to their capabilities, are working in the unorganized sector. That is why law and protections are also being made to give the protection to the workers working under the unorganized sector. तभी laws बनेंगे कि morning में 8 to 5 evening तक काम होगा. And if the laborers are working for extra work, then extra payment will be given. Overtime सुना होगा आपने. Overtime will be given to them. ठीक है? And 1 hour in between rest, so that some kind of protection will be given to that section. Is it clear up to this? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई doubt है? है कोई doubt? सकल और विलास की स्टोरी में किसी को कोई डाउट है? सो एजुकेशन के लिए गवर्नमेंट हमारी क्या क्या कर रही है? नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज आर बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू इंश्योर एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल? टू इंश्योर एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल, गवर्नमेंट हैज डन नंबर 1, फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन एक्ट in August 2009 and in force in 2010 April with 6 to 14 year of children for elementary education. ठीक है? Number 1, Government of India, they had made free and compulsory education act in between the age of 6 to 14 year from the, it was enforced in Act 2009 लिखोगे, Act August 2009 and implemented on or enforced on April 2010. बन गया था अगस्त 2009 में, लेकिन implement हुआ April 2010 में. According to it, all the children in between the age of 6 to 14 year are getting free and compulsory education in any of the institutions. Government institution. Fine. Second is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. That policy was also being implemented. And third is government. हमें पता है हमारी गवर्नमेंट जब हमारा इंडिया आजाद हुआ तभी had made 5-year plans. In the first 5-year plan, we had made our contribution in the education field, that was 30% of the income was being used in the agriculture, in the education, and now it is being used as 150 billion rupees in the education sector in the 11th 5-year plan. So we have contributed, the government has contributed a lot for the promotion of education for the Indians to turn the liability into the asset. Third आ जाता है, एक हो गया फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन, एक हो गया आपका सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, और तीसरा आ गया आपका दैट इज मिड डे मील सर्विसेज. Midday meal services was introduced first in Tamil Nadu in 2001 and later on it was extended to the whole country, where its aim was to provide education to the free to the poor person at all the in all the effective manner. Is it okay? So यहाँ तक आपको क्लियर है? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट मेरा है ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन का, वो मैं कल आपको करवाऊंगी. ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन का पॉइंट रह गया है, वो मैं आपको कल करवाऊंगी. डोंट ट्राई टू बेंड योर हैंड्स. ओके बच्चे, थैंक यू बच्चे.